Alpha.
Well, if you made it this far, I'm happy to introduce my RigJunkie Ultralight for the Sony A7C Mark II. Now, I already had this in the works, and it just so happened that Sony is going to be releasing their newest camera, the FX2. So I just took it upon myself to make this video to both kind of play off of that and also introduce my new product that will be available for sale on my Fourth Wall site. So if you're interested in getting your hand on one of these kits so that you can mod out your Sony A7C Mark II, then go ahead and hit the link down below. Hit a like and subscribe if you like what I've done here, and share it to your favorite camera junkie. Thank you in advance, and let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. And I want to give a special thanks to the junkies who support me through channel memberships.